In this video, we're going to talk you through the QuelSelector, how to use it and how to navigate it, how to get the most out of it. So the QuelSelector is a PDF containing hyperlinks to the Quelfire range of standard tested details. We have a contents page on page 2 where you'll see the document is broken down into various substrate types. First section being different types of wall, second section different types of floor, and then the latter part of the document is other types of seal and some other useful resources. Ultimately, you want to scroll through, find the relevant substrate, so maybe you're looking at single skin plasterboard walls. You would then identify the most appropriate service description on the left hand side, and as you move across the page you'll see there are 3 columns. First one being direct seals. That's where the services are, if you like, drilled, cut directly through the substrate and the fire stopping installed directly into the substrate. The example would be this one in the top left. The second column and the third column are solutions using fire bat. Second column where the bat is installed inside the letterbox, and the third column where the bat is fitted on the outside of the wall as a patras. So as you will see as we scroll through the document, there follows a similar format across all the different substrate types, and each one of these unique reference numbers that we see here is a hyperlink to a Quelfire standard installation detail. So when you've identified your substrate, so in this case a double skin wall, you've identified your service description, so let's have a look at a trunking situation. You can see there is no direct seal option, but there are potentially 2 fire bat options. So I suggest you right click and open link in a new tab, and those drawings will open in a new tab, and you can then go and check the relevant information that is on them, and understand the scope of what's tested, what fire rating is provided, etc. So you'll also find as you go through this document other useful resources. So you can see the yellow box here, which is an article on our knowledge hub with regards CPVC compatibility. Again, you can click on that and go through to that knowledge hub article to find out more information on that specific topic. There's also useful images provided throughout the document showing typical scenarios. They are just extracts of some of the details, but ultimately you want to click on those relevant links and access the specific tested detail. Just whizzing through, we'll move on to floor penetrations. So you'll see again a similar format. There is the direct seal solution followed by the fire bat options, and then you can also see some compound solutions, but again follow the same principle. Identify your substrate, your service, and then click on the links to access the most relevant details. And finally we move on to other types of seal. So in here you will find solutions for head of wall situations, linear joint seals, followed by solutions using the Inchifoam, which is a compressible joint seal, intumescent putty pads for electric socket boxes, and then the final section also has hyperlinks to the standard installation guides. So if you want those step-by-step installation guides, you can use those links there. So all this information is of course on the website, and of course we have lots of information on our YouTube channel. But what you'll find is the QuelSelector is a useful tool for identifying those details and for directing you to the relevant section on the website or the YouTube channel, etc. So if you do have any questions, drop us an email, technical@quelfire.co.uk.